guys are in very good hands with her. Oh my Thor, look at your tunic. That's incredible. He is gonna love that. What is your name, my friend? Elise. Very nice to meet you, Elise. Yeah, he is, well, you know, very pregnant proud dragon.
All of his versions.
Yeah, I'm not sure how he's gonna feel about the tongue out look, but it's all right. He is pretty adorable. Yeah, no. Well, trust me, I'm sure he will be a big fan of yours as well.
Oh, cool shirt. Toothless, that's funny, dude. Look at you. Okay, so what are you feeling?